Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya's Cake Fantasy. Today I'm going to show you a thread effect cake. So let's get started. So I have covered the cake with the cream. I have already crumb coated the cake. Now I'm just applying the cream. Using a scraper, I'm going to give the shape to my cake. So the sides of the cake is being smoothened out. Now time for the top side. Just smooth out the excess with the help of a spatula. While removing the excess, your hand should be very light. So this way, I have smoothened out the cream. Now I'm going to give lines to the cake using a scraper. I'm giving the lines to the cake. While watching my video, do like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. So I have given the lines to the cake. Now using a piping bag, I am going to apply some neutral gel to my cake. In neutral gel, I have added some water and mixed the neutral gel. And I have applied some yellow color. And I am giving a dripping effect. This is the artificial method of dripping effect. I'm going to cover the whole cake, I mean the top portion, with this neutral gel. So now using a spatula, I'm going to smooth out the cream, smooth out the gel. So the top layer is covered with gel. Now I have some neutral gel mixed with red color and green color. Take a thread, dip in this neutral gel and you can do some design to the cake. So using this thread, see the thread first half part is red in color and the half part is green in color. We are going to use this thread into our cake for design. You have to place the thread in a zigzag manner. Using your finger, you have to give the zigzag design. You should be very careful while doing this. Your thread should be centered of the cake. Place it centered of the cake and then give this zigzag design. And then just leave the thread. Wait for some time and then pull the thread very lightly, so you will get this design. So this way you can do another one also. So I'm going to do 3 times the same design, same zigzag design. You should do very slowly while doing this. After giving this zigzag design, just place the thread over the cake for 5 minutes and then pull the thread. You will get the design. This is a flower design. So this is called the thread effect cake. You should always apply neutral gel over the cake and then you should start doing this design, or else you won't get this design. You can simply add the plain neutral gel over the cake and then you can do this design. To give more attractive look, I have used yellow neutral gel over the cake and then I have used the thread design. So here comes the third design. So this way you can give the design to your cake. This is called as thread effect cake. A different design to your cake. After this, just place the thread over the cake for some time and then pull the thread. Pull the thread and here comes the design. That's it. It's very simple cake. Now I'm going to put some sprinkles over the cake, silver balls. So our thread effect cake is ready now. Thanks for watching.